Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account. Do that now. Once signed in, go directly to Security Settings. This is where verification methods live. Make sure your phone is nearby and unlocked, and check whether you previously saved backup codes or a recovery email. If you see a prompt for two-step verification, choose the method you expect to use. This gets you into the right area so you can actively request and retrieve the code rather than guessing where it might be. Now, retrieve the actual verification code. If you selected SMS, watch for text message. If it's slow, check your Signal and Message app's spam folder. If you use an authenticator app, open it and read the 6-digit code next to your Google entry. It refreshes every 30 seconds, so act quickly. If you have backup codes, choose one and enter it. Make sure the code is entered exactly, with no extra spaces, because timing and precision matter for acceptance. Enter the code promptly to complete sign-in or the security change. Once done, Google often offers to trust the device for a period. Decide if that's appropriate. If the code fails, don't panic. Try a backup code, request a new code, or switch to your recovery email or phone call option. If none work, use Google's account recovery flow and prepare account details beforehand. One key tip: check device time settings. Incorrect clock can break authenticator codes, so sync time automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.